Hi everyone, I'm Dalita and today I will show you how to solve the factorial problem with recursion. So at first, let's see what is factorial. So factorial is the case where the number is multiplied by that number minus 1, by n minus 2, and so on until 1. For example, 4 factorial is 4 multiplied by 3, by 2, and by 1, which is 24. So by knowing this, we can easily solve this problem with recursion. How? So recursive function is calling itself by somehow dividing the original problem into a smaller problem of the same kind. And we can call the same function with this new parameter, which means if I want to solve the n factorial with function, it will be n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial, which is the smaller portion of the original problem, and it is going to be passed to the same function. And by looking at this, it easily determines how our factorial function will be created. Now let's start writing the code. But let me save this file to highlight the syntax. So constant factorial is a function that takes the value num. By the way, if you don't know what are recursive functions, I also have another video, and its link you can find in the description. And I'm explaining in general what are recursive functions. So as we know, in a recursion definition, there has to be a terminating condition so that our recursion will not take place infinitely. And we know that 0 factorial equals 1. And in factorial function, this is the terminating condition, which means if our number is equal to 0, then the answer is definitely 1. But for higher values than 0, we have this solution, which is n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial, and this is the smaller portion of the original problem. So I'm going to write return number multiplied by factorial number minus 1. So if I want to print out the result on the console of factorial function with the value 5, I should get 120. So let me run this in terminal. That's it. I hope my video was useful. And also I have pushed this code to GitHub, and its link you can find in the description. Thanks very much for your kind attention. Bye bye.